Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, May 12th, 2025, we're analyzing Tesla, ticker symbol Tesla. We'll be looking at recent news headlines and diving into the charts to provide a comprehensive overview. Recent news suggests a mixed outlook. Cathie Wood is predicting an 800% surge, while others foresee a potential crash. We also see news regarding US-China trade talks, which could impact Tesla due to tariffs on metals like lithium. Let's start with the daily chart. We can see a period of volatility from late 2023 through early 2024, followed by a period of consolidation. From April through June of 2024, we saw the price range fluctuate mostly between $160 and $200. Then, a significant rally started in late June 2024, pushing the stock above $260 by early July. This bullish move seems to correlate with news of potential US-China trade truce. This may have created optimism, as Tesla has significant reliance on Chinese suppliers and resources. However, looking at the daily chart from July to October 2024, we see the price entered a volatile period ranging from roughly $215 to $270, with rapid ups and downs. The good news of US-China trade seemed to be short-lived, and the markets may have corrected as they realized that the truce may not be a permanent situation. In late 2024, specifically November 2024, we saw the stock quickly and sharply break $300 and then $400, and soon reached its peak in December around $488. However, this trend was immediately rejected, and the stock began to crash back down into the 300s. This could indicate that the market believes Cathie Wood's predictions are unlikely, and the valuation is not justified given slowing revenue growth and declining market share, as indicated by other articles. Since then, in 2025, it mostly trends downward, ranging from the 400s to the 200s. Now, let's zoom into the 1-hour chart to get a closer look at the recent price action. Focusing on late April 2025, we see consolidation, and then in early May, we see a rally from around $270 to today's price near $300. However, there is heavy resistance around $300. If it can break through this resistance, it might find support around $320. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we can see this resistance near $300 even more clearly. This resistance is present from yesterday, May 9th. We can see constant rejection from this level. Also, looking at the 15-minute chart for May 7th, we can see that $275 has been an important price. For the short term, if it rejects the $300 resistance, there is support near $275. However, if it breaks below $275, expect the stock to revisit some of the prices in April. So, what's the verdict? There are strong arguments for both bullish and bearish scenarios. If it breaks the resistance around $300, expect to see this be a strong rally. If it breaks the support around $275, expect to see a rapid decline back down to the range it was in April. Keep an eye on the news, particularly any updates on US-China trade relations, as well as any new developments regarding Tesla's production and sales numbers. The June robotaxi launch is also something to watch. This is not financial advice. Please consult with a financial professional before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.